How to change language on DeepSeek AI. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on DeepSeek AI. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, head over to the DeepSeek AI platform by opening your browser and visiting chat.deepseek.com. And once you are logged in, you will land on the dashboard. And once you are in your main dashboard, simply hover over to the user profile or settings icon. And from there, a pop-up menu will appear. Now, in this menu, simply look for the option level settings and click on it. And after that, a menu will appear again. Now, in this menu, under the General tab, you can see the option label language. Now, to change the language, you simply have to click on the system beside the language. And from there, a drop-down menu will appear. Simply select the language that you want to change to. And after clicking on it, your DeepSeek AI dashboard is now fully updated in your chosen language. And that's how you can change your language in the DeepSeek AI. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.